5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker, Sir, MSMEs are growth engines of our economy. Micro enterprises with turnover up to rupees 2 crore and certain professionals with turnover of up to rupees 50 lakh can avail the benefit of presumptive taxation. I propose to provide enhanced limits of rupees 3 crore and rupees 75 lakh respectively to the taxpayers whose cash receipts are no more than 5%. Moreover, to support MSMEs in timely receipt of payments, I propose to allow deduction for expenditure incurred on payments made to them only when payment is actually made. Cooperation is a value to be cherished. In realizing our Prime Minister's goal of Sahkar se Sehmat Samriti and his resolve to connect the spirit of cooperation with the spirit of Amrit Kal, in addition to the measures proposed in Part A, I have a set of proposals for the cooperative sector. First, new cooperatives that commence manufacturing activities till 31st 3/2024 shall get the benefit of a lower tax rate of 15% as is presently available to new manufacturing companies. Secondly, I propose to provide an opportunity to sugar cooperatives to claim payments made to sugarcane farmers for the period prior to assessment year 2016-17 as expenditure. This is expected to provide them with a relief of almost 10,000 crore. Thirdly, I am providing a higher limit of rupees 2 lakh per member for each deposits to the loans in cash by primary agricultural cooperative societies and primary cooperative agriculture and rural development banks. Entrepreneurship is vital for a country's economy development. We have taken a number of measures for startups and they have borne results. India is now the third largest ecosystem for startups globally and ranks second in innovation quality among middle income countries. I propose to extend the date of incorporation for income tax benefits to startups from 31st 3/2023 to 31st 3/2024. I further propose to provide the benefit of carry forward of losses on change of shareholding of startups from 7 years of incorporation to 10 years to reduce the pendency of appeals at commissioner level. I propose to deploy about 100 joint commissioners for disposal of small appeals. We shall also be more selective in taking up cases for scrutiny of returns already received this year by the income tax department here. For further targeting of tax concessions and exemptions, I propose to cap deduction from capital gains on investment in residential house under sections 54 and 54F to rupees 10 crore. Another proposal with similar intent is to limit income tax exemption from proceeds of insurance policies with very high value. there are a number of proposals relating to rationalization and simplification. Income of authorities, boards, and commissioners set up by status of the union or state for the purpose of housing, development of cities, towns, and villages, and regulating and developing an activity or matter is proposed to be exempted from income tax. Other major measures is this direction are: 1. Removing the minimum threshold of rupees 10,000 for TDS and clarifying taxability relating to online gaming. 2. Not treating conversion of gold into electronic gold receipt and vice versa as capital gain. 3. Reducing the TDS rate from 30% to 20% on taxable portion of EPF withdrawal in non-PAN cases. And 4. Taxation on income from market-linked debentures. Now I come to what everyone is waiting for: personal income tax. I have 5 major announcements to make in this regard. These primarily benefit our hard-working middle class. The first one concerns rebate. Currently, those with income up to rupees 5 lakh do not pay any income tax in both old and new tax regimes. I propose to increase the rebate limit to rupees 7 lakh in the new tax regime. Thus, persons in the new tax regime with income up to rupees 7 lakh will not have to pay any tax. The second proposal relates to middle class individuals. I had introduced in the year 2020 the new personal income tax regime with 6 income slabs starting rupees 2.5 lakh. I propose to change the tax structure in this regime by reducing the number of slabs to 5 and increasing the tax exemption limit to rupees 3 lakh. The new tax rates are rupees 3 lakh nil, rupees 3 to 6 lakh 5%, rupees 6 to 9 lakh 10%, rupees 9 to 12 lakh 15%, rupees 12 to 15 lakh 20%, above rupees 15 lakh 30%. This will provide major relief to all taxpayers in the new regime. An individual with an annual income of rupees 9 lakh will be required to pay only rupees 45,000. This is only 5% of his or her income. It is a reduction of rupees 25%.